Thank you, Shweta, for your timely help and for the firemen who came at a moment's notice. Thank you very, very much. It was really helpful to us. Otherwise, it would have been a danger to the building as well as to the people crossing by. Thank you very, very much.
कुर्तरकर नगर हांगासर आमचो वाडा भितर झाड पडला म्हणून कॉल आयलो. मी इमिडिएटली फायर ब्रिगेडाक इन्फॉर्म केले आनीक टीमूय रोखडीच पावली हांगा. तेंच्यांनी रोखडीच पावले हांगा आनी आमकां हेल्प केलो. तेच्या बद्दल तेंकाय थँक्यू म्हणटा. लकीली काय हे जावना, डॅमेज जावना, इंजुरीज काय ना. आनीक थँक्यू टू फायर डिपार्टमेंट.